I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Transferring crypto from Coinbase to another exchange can seem daunting, but it is pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Log into Coinbase. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Make sure you have access to the account you want to transfer from. Step 2. Select the crypto to transfer. Navigate to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Click on it to view more details. Step 3. Click on Send. Once you're on the cryptocurrency details page, look for the Send button and click it. This will open the transfer window. Step 4. Enter the destination address. Input the wallet address of the exchange where you want to send your crypto. Double check this address to avoid losing your funds. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review all the details, including the amount and destination address, then confirm the transfer. You may need to complete a security check. Remember, if you accidentally enter the wrong address, your crypto could be lost forever. Always double check. I hope this guide helps you with your transfer. Happy trading!